let me tell you about BK.
Yeah. Saye ebusuku ama-target, girls indoors ama-can't get. Every night nigga I act my fat ukuthi ngiculele perfect. Rude we smile when I write track. Blues and skies with the sunset. Black caps, gloves, nane jackets, nama sound waves on my headsets, I like that. Wafika mina last hour. Nice dance, nice bags, namahlaya. I can drink dance no misawa. Umabanda ngena lapha sasi hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, then I finish. Final on phinde ngisusikis. I use my energy, no siphili scheme. Some singagcwalisa itekisi. We can use my place, nigga you can take my ex. I don't care, or we can book this flats. Makukhona oshimile okay, we can share. Ngafika ngaba-puppies, ngaba-lighties, angadinwa yimina zoba-phashis. Ngafika nama-nice seats, ama-nice sleep, amakhona mina kulalwa, ama-nice shifts. Nanakudabula i-skin gym, makukhona nama-hot izinto ezidli-hot wings. Phathe ekhanda nayi-dick spring, fana ngisikosa simele faka nama-hot drinks. FC, BK, ama-tiktoker, ama-content maker bayajoka. Hey, buka manje ngiyamstoka, i-girlfriend yakho ifaka kuyilokha. Yekuse DJ dedela ingoma, ama-hater kuletha wozobonga. Ungancinge indonga wozohola bloma, ungaspeak khona uzokuthola.